Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share a wishlist link on the Airbnb application on an Android device. Well, some of you may want to share your wishlist with friends, family, or travel companions to collaborate on trip planning. So, by sharing a wishlist link allows others to view the properties and experiences that you have saved and contribute your own suggestions. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open the Airbnb application. Well, so in this main page, click Wishlist tab at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so right now you can select which one of your wishlist that you will share with others. Okay, and then tap share icon here. Next, click send a link option. Okay, and here you can directly share it with your friend, or you can copy the URL here. So now you have already to share it with others on any platform. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to share a wishlist link on the Airbnb application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.